Hey guys, Agent Kori Johnson here, and I am going to another open house. I'm gonna go see this beautiful, gorgeous house in Moore, Oklahoma, and I will be giving more details and everything, so come with me. Alright guys, so I'm here at 15908 Quiet Storm Drive in Moore, Oklahoma, and I will take you through to this beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. So I hope you loved that house at 15908 Quiet Storm Drive in Moore, Oklahoma. That home is listed for $263,000. It was built in 2016 and it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, and it's gorgeous home. Let me tell you some of the features that I found were like super cool. First of all, it has a storm shelter. Secondly, there's playgrounds in this beautiful community as well as fishing ponds. It's just minutes away from I-35. It had the built-in mud room, which I thought was like, wow, super cool. And it has a patio concrete deck in the backyard. If I didn't say so already, it was built in 2016. The square footage is over 1,600. And I hope you like that video of just the whole walkthrough. I hope it answered maybe some of your questions that you might have. If you want to inquire of this home as a buyer, please holla at your girl, okay? Please just inbox me, call the number that I've listed, and we can get started on this beautiful home, because let me tell you, it is not gonna sit here and just chill. Okay, so again, I hope you like that house. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. Hey guys, I just wanted to come on here and say, because I totally forgot to say it in the video, please, if you like this video, like it and subscribe for more videos just like this one. And Agent Kori Johnson signing off.